Okay, in this video we're checking out the JJRC Bellwether2. It's kind of looks like a Phantom clone. It's a toy grade quadcopter, but it has GPS and position hold. Doesn't have optical flow. Uses brushed motors, so pretty basic drone. Does have GPS though, and does have some follow me features I think in the app. We'll figure that here. I'll show you that on the I'm gonna do the phone recording. Does record to I believe a 1080p camera down here with a micro SD card. We'll see what the video is like. Let's get in the air. Okay, so first we got turning the drone on. Got some blue and green lights. And turn on the controller. And I think to bind it, you're supposed to hit the on switch on the GPS. And then we're going to have to connect to the drone via Wi-Fi. And we got another beep from the transmitter. Not sure if that means that, I think that means we have a GPS lock now. Does not seem to want to connect. Okay, now it's connecting. Okay, so we have a connection Wi-Fi to the app. Okay, so we have to pick the correct model. I think it's the let's see here. So the app does not seem to have the model. I think this would be like H68G or something like that. So I did download the latest one from the Android store. I'm not sure what's up with that. Let's just connect to the device and see if anything shows up. It has video, interestingly enough. And that does seem to work, but I don't think I'll be able to use any of the features specifically for this drone. Let's give it a try anyway. So record the screen. Yeah, let's do a compass calibration. You just press this button here. Let's see if she gets some blinking lights. I think you just do some rotations. And then face down. Okay. That transmitter beeped. We have solid lights. Should be able to take off. Let's see if I can do recording here. Obviously I'm using the wrong app here, but I might be able to do recording from the transmitter. So I long pressed on the button for the video and photo button, so hopefully that's recording something. And is there a one-touch takeoff button here? Don't see that. Interesting. Maybe stick commands. Let's try down and in. Well, that worked. So down and in will spin the props up. And then just throttle up and it'll lift it. So bring it over here, see what it looks like. Pretty stable for a toy drone. It does have GPS hold. Let's rotate it around. It is drifting though. You see that? I hope it's recording something to the micro SD card. The video looks not bad. At least on my phone it doesn't look too bad. Not a lot of wind right now. Yeah, I can tell there's a bit more wind up there than down here. It's definitely a lot more bumpy. I think I take it too far. It is holding pretty steady up there. Just gonna pan around real slow here. See what the video quality is like. I really hope it is recording something to the micro SD card. The dynamic range on the video is pretty decent for a toy grade camera. Yeah, no stabilization. I don't think there's mechanical or electronic stabilization on this one. So you're seeing all the movement. Alright, so I'm going to try the return to home button and see what that does. It's going up and it's coming back. It's definitely coming back towards me. The transmitter is beeping. That's pretty annoying. And it's stopped there, I think. Oh, there it goes. It's coming over me. Yep. And it looks like it's going to come down right overhead. It's coming straight down. Looks like it's working. So I'm going to press the return home button again. Hopefully that stops it. No, it doesn't stop it. If I hit the sticks, that stops it and I can fly it again. So you don't have to land, that's good. The wind is starting to pick up a little bit more now. Let's see here. Now when you move it around, it does take a little bit to stabilize, and I think it's just using altitude hold, it's just using GPS to maintain altitude, so it just kind of bounces up and down. Once you let go of the sticks, it seems to stabilize. If I just press up on the throttle only, yeah, I can see it kind of drifting a little bit. It's not terrible. I'm getting a beeping from the transmitter. I'm not sure what's up with that. I'm gonna bring it back down. I see blinking lights underneath. Maybe the battery's low? Not sure. Yeah, I see some blinking lights. I think it's in an automatic landing. I think it might be a low battery. Yeah, I let go and then it wants to land again. So that was a pretty short flight. They were saying 15 minutes, but that doesn't seem to be the case. It wants to land, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and let it land. So I guess that's the end of the demo. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty annoying. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off. Actually, I'm going to stop the video first. And hopefully that stopped the video. We'll exit out of the app. Let's turn this off. And the transmitter. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm not sure why the battery was. It shouldn't have shouldn't have died that quickly. It's a 2S850, so it's a pretty big battery. I'm not sure what's up with that. Anyway, so it looks like this app needs more work. Doesn't even have the model, and maybe it might be too new. Maybe the iPhone app works better. Not sure. Let's see what the video looks like. Yeah, if you guys want to see another video later and demonstrate some of the features, maybe the app will be updated and I'll actually connect to this drone properly. And I'll see what's going on with the battery. I did charge it, so I'm not sure why the flight was so short. That was only like maybe, I would think 8 minutes or something like that. And it's supposed to be, it's advertised for 15, so that's pretty disappointing. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.